Oh, what an amazing day this is. Chef Pablo and the Siqua restaurant crew have completed this R&D visit, and Mike has finished his time with the awa, or shaman, and shows us his beautiful new drum. I love how Hayder and Roger join right in. Drums are very important to the Bribri and still made traditionally with snake and iguana skins.
Cedro.
Hayder is very connected to ancestral drums.
Tengo todos los nombres de las plantas.
Sí. That's beautiful. Yeah. As my new friends head home, Roher offers me lunch, shows me a local plant used like pasta, and invites me to a waterfall. I just say yes and go, not realizing yet that first we take the motorcycle from Roher's house here to the high school in Hayder's community. Then we walk through the jungle and along and through the river. I think you'll really enjoy this video with me, so Mishka, let's get going. Okay, so hang in here with me. I do switch from iPhone to GoPro in a few minutes.
Go to community Saki.
Community
Saki, yes. Saki. The Hayder house.
Hayder's house. This is a long walk for him.
Yes.
I know a long dirt bike ride on a dirt road can be a little boring for some. It's so different in person. The smells, the sounds, the totally exotic tropical surroundings, and all the people we pass. I'm shortening this ride for you a little bit, and also taking this time to tell you about some Bribri clans. There are more than 70 clans currently, and clans consist of extended families.
Now it's very cold in the United States. In your house?
My house?
Yes. Many snow. No.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Snow is correct. Snow is correct. It is spring, so rain and sun. And the flowers start to bloom.
Oh.
And it is time it is almost time to start planting a garden.
Salamanca is the summer long.
Yes.
Long summer.
Yes.
January, February, March, April.
April.
Summer long.
Yes. It is always summer here. The flowers are blooming here. Okay, so each clan has a special mission as their god creator Sibo distributed gifts and knowledge to work in favor of balance. So they each have different responsibilities that benefit the whole. Oh, I want to point this out. Watch on the right. We are quickly passing on the right an important lake or pond. You see that? This is a very special portal where the animals can go in to go to other worlds or dimensions for them. More about that in future videos. There is just so much to share. I don't know, can you all tell how steep this is? Because it gets pretty steep. Oh my goodness.
Bananas. Tomorrow, the company go for the bananas.
Yes, the Bribri gather organically grown bananas and place them in piles alongside the road to be picked up and transported weekly across the river to Tsurediya, where they are sold wholesale.
Not overpowered?
Yeah. The fencing thing. The house, this Hader sister.
These are perfect houses.
This is the house Hader
Up there? Okay.
tree.
Haydar's house, which you will get to see later, is actually up that road, and then you walk a trail up the mountain a little bit.
Tu machete. Muy importante.
Yes, I thought it would be fun.
So, the clans. Haydar is of the Diuwak clan. Oh, I hope I'm getting these close to correct pronunciations. The Diuwak clan. These are the water people, or guardians of the water. Roher is of the Tubowak clan, guardians of the tubers like yam and potato. Roher's wife, Marjorie, is of the Durawak clan, the guardians of the birds, and because Bribri are a matriarchal tribe, the children are always of the same clan as the mother. Bribri are prohibited from marrying within their clan, and each clan has different rules about which other clan members they can marry. Roher's father is of the clan of the electric eel. It's all very interesting. They do have very different rules about which animals they can farm or hunt and so on. Different responsibilities and different rules that make each clan very important to the survival of the community and the extended community. We arrive at the high school in Saki community.
Soki community.
Oh, yes. Yes, I remember the bridge. Okay. Thank you, Roher.
The high school does have electricity and the teachers have Wi-Fi. And now we walk.
How do you say camino?
Path? Trail? That was the poisonous frog, the blue jean frog we heard.
I did wish we had looked for those frogs on this trip, but we were trying to beat the rain. We go close to the river here, we walk along some pretty slippery, sketchy rocks. My iPhone battery dies, so I get that on the way back, and yay, I switched to GoPro.
Messenger. The rain spirits.
You can hear them everywhere. The hummingbird.
Son mensajeros de los espíritus de la lluvia.
Okay, they're the messengers of the water spirits. In future time or now?
Okay, I know that seems like a crazy question, I know. But the Bribri have a different relationship with time than Sequas, non-Bribri, us. And they've told me of prophecies from South America of when birds meet in the future, such as when the harpy eagle is seen meeting the condor, they will represent the dances in the sky when a new era begins. This is also exciting and interesting to me. Many cultures recognize birds as messengers. North American indigenous peoples recognize the hummingbird as a messenger, and even some of my own heritage, the Celts, believed birds to be messengers between the gods or spirits and humans. And wow, are there a lot of messengers of the rain spirits here today.
It's possible.
Yeah. It's possible.
It's over there.
A little concerned. He does not know how many mountainous rivers I've crossed.
No?
I'm good. It's okay. Hi, Bev.
to film everything and talk to the insects and the animals, and this makes me a very slow sequel.
I'm at the river.
Wow, I admit these Bribri, when ascending a mountain straight upward, make it look like they are just floating effortlessly across the ground. Wow, we made it. Wow.
Tsurediya.
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 So pretty.
uno de las ceremonias fúnebres se llama el árbol de Tsurediya.
The tree, Tsurediya.
Sí.
Very sacred.
Y este árbol tiene un río sagrado que cuida que siempre permanezca ese árbol. Todo este bosque está muy completo de árboles sagrados de Tsurediya. Por eso ese árbol tiene este río que tiene 7 cascadas sagradas.
Okay. The hummingbird, the messenger, the messenger.
And this beautiful messenger actually hovers facing us for a few seconds. Beautiful.
Okay. The messenger, the messenger. The tree, there's 7 falls,
Yeah.
right? And way up is the very big one, and it's like rain. The spray is like rain. And the tree is Manu is the tree.
Yeah.
And then it is very special. It is used for the ceremony for death.
Yeah.
For the death. Okay. This river comes from that tree, so this is the tree's river. So the name of the river is...
Las personas cuando necesitan esta madera sagrada, the people, lo necesitan, they can go to the river a encontrar el árbol.
They can't go in because of the arbor, because of the tree, because
esta montaña tiene muchos árboles de Manu, que es árbol sagrado para acomodar los cuerpos de las personas muertas.
Okay. For the dead persons, for the dead people. They are there. Okay. I think. I will have you tell me, I will have you explain more. Wow. Diuretic to purify blood. So tall.
So on the way back, Roher shows me some plant medicines, and I show you the rocky pathway along the river.
Gracias.
This is the plant the shaman uses when a baby is born with the chocolate. Okay, one more time. Bullet ant, Ormiga bale. Ormiga bale. Bale. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Yes, the whole bridge moves. Hopefully I'm not the last gringo to cross. Or sequa. Hopefully I'm not the last sequa. And where were we? Up over that way, probably. Sitting, standing on a pretty shaky bridge over a beautiful river. Where the indigenous people live. And everything is living. The water, the plants, the trees, the rocks, the spirits. Everything is alive. And I'm alive. And maybe some rain. Thank you for watching and sharing this special day with me. This is an amazing adventure for me, and you can coordinate your own adventure. Spend a night or two and hire Roher to be your indigenous guide to this beautiful waterfall by connecting with him on Instagram or WhatsApp.